Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be unboxing the missing pieces on my miniature Kayali collection. So I have here 28 minis and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mini. So the tiny mini. So yeah, so I'm still missing one of the wood, the smoky. Is it the smoky wood? And then the Freedom Mask I don't have yet, though I have one of the mini. This one. And then the new released Eden collection, the Eden pear and peach. I have here the Eden apple and what's that, lychee. Let's start unboxing. I received this today, 25th of March 2026, and I ordered this soon as I received the email that you can pre-order the miniature of the Eden lychee and pear. So I think that was 2 weeks ago. And yeah, it arrived today. Should be yesterday, but I moved the delivery day today. So okay, let's do this. So this is what's inside, guys. So these are the freebies, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, I already have one of these. Oh, this is with dark print or just the plastic. I thought it's printed with black ink, but yeah, it's just a plastic. I've got one there. Okay, and this is the new one. I'll open this first before the others because I'm so excited. I want to see this. So yeah, if you buy the new Eden, you're gonna get this bag. Oh, so cute. Yeah, so you're gonna put one there, then hang it on your bag. Later, we'll try it. Wait. Oh, look, guys. So pretty cute. I love the heart and the star. Okay, so later we're gonna put a perfume there. And then this one, I don't wanna open because, yeah, I already have one here. I'll just open this when I need one. Okay, so that's what we've got, the freebie. And then, oh, these are the sample for Eden sample. So the apple, lychee, pear, and peach. Okay, so that's another freebie. 1, 2, 3. And then what I bought, oops, my missing piece of the wood collection, Woodgasm, smoky wood. Yeah, yay, they're all complete now. Should I open? Yeah, I'll open. I got this bag because I bought my chocolate wood last month. So, wait, is it last month? Or just this month as well? First week of March, but yeah. Okay, it's okay to break the box because I don't collect them. Yay, smoky wood. I don't want to spray it on me because I know I won't like this. I just want to collect. And yeah, I gonna spray a lot here because I have other 6 there. So I bought 7. So the 6 there, they all gonna mix up the smell. Okay, it's nice ribbon there. Ooh, the new release, pear and peach. So we'll open this last. Okay. So this is the Masked Obsession. And this is the nice box. Okay guys, so these are the 7 miniature Kayali that I bought, and then there's a sample freebies and bag charms. Okay, so let's make this quick and let's open my Freedom Mask collection. So I've done the smoky wood. Now this one, I think I gonna love this one because I love my mini, the Santal, the Mas Santal. So maybe I gonna like all of this. Okay guys, this is it. I love the box. And moment of truth. Oh, so pretty. I love the color. I love this color, you know. This shade of color. So nice. Okay. So now, we do the bouquet. Lovely. Okay, I like it, but we're gonna smell it again later. Initial spray, I like it, so we'll see the dry down later. And then this is the Santal. Love the color. Do the Santal here. I love this more than the bouquet. Okay, later again we'll smell it. Okay, now we have the matcha. Not sure with this because I don't really like matcha, but look at the bottle, so stunning. Okay, we'll spray it here. Not bad, so it's nice as well. I'll tell you the smell later again. And then the darker brown, the latte. I think I gonna love this, and super love the bottle. And yeah, we'll spray it. Yeah, I like a milky smell. Okay, I'll just smell myself again. Okay guys, as of now, still my favorite is the Santal. And let me show you the mini. Oh, this is a mini and this is a mini. And this is just a dab on. You just dab. Okay, and this is a spray. So yeah, as of the now, I like this smell. And then I said I don't, it's alright, this one, the bouquet, but now I like it now. Earlier when I first spray it, it's okay, but now it's okay, more okay. Matcha is nutty smell. I don't fancy it, but it's not bad. It's nice. But it's not my type, but it's nice. Yeah, nutty smell. And then the latte. Yeah, it's like latte. Like there's a coffee, but a very little hint of coffee. It's nice. It's like my coffee. Yeah, I love it. But I think I like first the Santal and then the bouquet latte and then the matcha. So yeah. Should I spray this? I don't know. I'm gonna be full of this smell. I'll try the smoky wood that I just bought. Ugh, I'm scared. Strong, yeah, of course. What do you expect? Smoky. It's like when you're burning outside in your garden, you know, the smokes. Okay. Not for me, but maybe for others. Right, the moment of truth. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put my thing one there. Boom. So nice. Or the other one. Let's see. This is the bag charm. I think I'll put my Santal there. Okay. Right, so now we're here at the Eden. I won't be using this sample. I'm gonna give this to my sister. So I'll keep this as it is. And yeah, we'll open this. What I got here is the pear, blush pear. The blush pear. It's okay to break the box because I won't be selling them, you know. I throw the box of my Kayali. Oh, look at that color. Blush pear. And this is the apple and the lychee. Okay, put it down first. Right, a spray. Further in of my arm. Yeah, I like it. It's sweet. Love it. We'll see later again if which one I'm gonna like. But yeah, I love that pear. Now, the sweet peach. I love peach. So yeah, I have a peach, Dior peach. You know, the new one, Dior Addict. I don't like the peach one. Even though, you know, I thought I gonna like that one, but I didn't like it. So I hope this one I will love. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's the, I forgot to show this. The keynotes. The pear and the peach. Right. Ta-da, peach. Okay. It's so sweet as well. They're like syrupy, you know, like medicine, but I love it. Okay, let's look at the color first before I smell them again after the initial spray. Okay, love the color of this. Oh, so nice. Apple, lychee, pear, and peach. I love this peach than the Dior Addict peach, you know. I'm gonna smell the lychee and the apple again because I forgot them. So guys, I think I like first the peach and then the pear, lychee, and apple. So yeah guys, these two, the new Eden, they are super duper nice. I really like it. Like they're so sweet, they're so yummy. I just love them, these two. They're really nice. But these two here, I don't really fancy them. They're nice, but yeah, this is so much better, the new ones. So yeah guys, and now we're gonna try my bug charm, and we'll put the peach one because the same color, right? And we'll try it on my bag. What's nice with this bug charm guys, because it's not like the others that you just press there. You have to pull it like that before you can open. So which is nice because you can't just accidentally open it, you know. See, there's a lock on it. You have to pull and open. Okay, so we'll put this here on my Coach bag. Of course it won't fit there, so glad we have this little Coach tag there, and we'll put it there, or I can just put it here on the zipper so it won't be too low, or else gonna be too low here. Maybe it's okay, or just so when you close it guys, you just push and then gonna be locked. It won't fall. It's so sturdy. It's really nice, and I like all the charms here. So this is the Eden bag charm, and this is the Freedom bag charm. Lovely. So pretty. So if I'm wearing a brown bag, I gonna put that one, and then if I'm wearing just a black one, I can have this. So nice. Look at that guys. Okay, now, so how many kayali? Because I know I'm complete now with my miniature kayali. So I have 28, as I've said earlier. So 28, I have one here. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yay! So I've got 35 miniature kayalis and then 5 of the mini-minis. So we have 40 miniature kayalis here. And 35 different kayalis plus 5 mini-minis. Yay! Happy, happy!